I'm Elizabeth Donnelly, and these are my gardens. I've had peonies in my life, my entire life. My grandfather was a hybridizer. We moved 7 times when I was in childhood, and the last thing we packed up and put on the moving truck was our peony roots. This is Kansas. For anybody who grows it, it's awesome color, sturdy stems, tall. Kansas is a double. And Mr. Ed here is a bomb. Those are the 2 of the primary shapes of blooms. The difference is that there's 2 types of petals, and then a double will just look like this, same petals all the way through. And Scarlet O'Hare, who's finished blooming, is a single. So she has just 1 row of outer petals. Golly is pink and yellow, so it's a wonderfully joyous bomb peony, but it's one of the last ones to bloom. This is Hermione, which has a really sweet scent. It is honey gold. That's vivid rose. It smells exactly like a rose. They're pretty easy to grow. It's a northern plant because it needs 600 hours of below freezing temperature to bloom. Walter Main's is a very interesting peony. If you notice, his inside is confetti shaped. Chocolate Soldier is a pretty little red tucked down there. Dinner Plate is opening today, which is one of the last ones, and it's so dense that it will, when it's fully open, it will be the size of a dinner plate. This tree peony is called the Sun. Prometheus. It's an amazing tree peony. This is Doreen, and she's new this year. This is Angel Cheeks, a good smelling one of the old varieties. That is the only peony that I have in my garden that my grandfather was involved in the hybridization of. It has lacquered petals. You can see how shiny they are. Helen Matthews, her petals are heart-shaped, and so we press them and then stick them in valentines.